Hi guys, I'm back with another challenge today. It's actually morning here. I am trying to form a new habit where I solve a coding challenge every morning. And the good thing about it is I will also record videos when I solve the challenges. So I should have about at least one video uploaded to the channel every day. Now, of course, there's going to be some days where something happens and I'm not going to be able to do it, but I will try to stick to this habit, to this schedule as much as possible. So today we have this, I think, pretty easy problem from Edabit. It's called check if one array can be nested in another. And it says create a function that returns true if the first array can be nested inside the second. And it gives us the role what to check for to see if an array can be tested. It says array 1 can be nested inside array 2 if array 1 min is greater than array 2 min and array 1 max is less than array 2 max, right? So it gives us a few examples, and as you can see, this one returns true because the minimum in this one, which is 1, is higher than 0, which is the minimum in this one, and the maximum in this one is lower than the maximum in this one. Okay, and it says not the strict inequality, and as you can see, what it says here is the minimum in this one is not higher than the minimum in this one. So it has to be strict, not less or equal, not higher or equal, just higher, right? So what I'll do, I will copy the starting function from here, and what we can say is return, and we can check two things. We can check if return max of, and the way max works, if you pass to max a few numbers like this, max will return you the maximum of those numbers, and we can actually find the maximum in an array if we have an array with these numbers like this. Array equal to this. We can find the maximum in this array by spreading this array. We use the spread operator, and the spread operator basically just spreads these elements without the array container, right? So what we're going to say, return max of R1 is higher than max of R2. So this should be true, and then we use the AND operator, and we say AND max. This is actually math.min. We also have math.min, which was the same, it just returns the minimum. So this, the minimum of this array should be higher than the minimum of this array, and then max of R1, again we have to spread this here, and like that, we have to spread them, and then say and max of the elements of R1 is less, it says this one should be less than max. What is going on here? Max of R2, right? So this should be it. If we copy this here and check, again, all of the tests are passing. Also remember, how mathmax works, how math.min works. You can use them in a lot of places when you need to find the minimum and maximum, and you can also find the minimum and maximum in an array by spreading the array inside here. You're basically spreading the array as the arguments of this method, right? And the way this works, because we're returning this, is if this is higher than this evaluates to true, and once this evaluates to true, then we also check this, and if this evaluates to true as well, then the function returns true. Otherwise, if this returns false, then it immediately returns false. But if it returns true but this one returns false, again it returns false. Okay, all right, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.